Okay guys, in this video we're going to talk about a correlation type trade. Okay, so this morning, if you were part of the paying member group or if you work with a coach here at 13 Market Moves, you would have gotten an alert at bright and early, like almost 2 hours before markets open, and on a positive LLY report. We already knew that we were going to be buying puts on what? On a bounce, because we knew it was going to be a move too. Okay, now the second alert was informing you of the fact that AMGN, what do LLY and AMGN have in common? Well, they're in the same sector. They make this bullshit anti-weight loss drugs, okay? So the third alert we sent you was Spotify puts. When Spotify was shooting to the moon, we told you to buy puts. When Spotify went to like 245, we told you to buy 240, 245 strike puts. 230s, VRTX puts, LLY. So right before the open, we even specify all the strikes so you could have bought on Eli Lilly. And then we participate in the tech crash today, or at least a temporary tech crash, all right? These went nicely, SMCI puts, NVIDIA puts, AVGO puts, all of these, depending on the strikes, that made pretty good traction today, including NVIDIA puts. And you guys would have caught on all of them, like, right on time to make some money. Now, let me walk you through some charts because we're really here to talk about this, LLY and AMGN. So let me show you what we're talking about here. Okay, so there are moments when things are going to be highly correlated, and there's going to be moments where things are going to take a little bit of a delay effect. So when we're talking about LLY, the messages went out to you to short it when it was trading like right here, pre-market. As soon as it opened, we were ready. I mean, you saw it. I gave you a 2-hour warning, and then we sent you like a 2-minute warning giving you exact type of strikes. And so the sector stock that you could have also partaken, basically, I've posted the video over the weekend saying, hey, this is the game plan for this week's earnings season, and don't miss the next video because I'm making them like every Saturday and Sunday when I'm informing you like about overall all the earnings report. In that video, I gave you some insight. I said, look, if this company drops, okay, which even in that video before any of this happened, I've indicated that this company could have a nice sell-off. I said another company that will sell off is going to be AMGN. And so as you can see, slowly but surely, it's repeating exactly what LLY stock did today. So this is your correlation trade. This is what we're talking about. AMGN is going to be reporting earnings today. Now, there's two things to pay attention to is the fact that this one now is going almost 2% lower into the trading, into the earnings report, while the other stock, LLY, was pumping yesterday all day into the earnings report. So even though these things are correlated, okay, there's different type of setups going into the earnings report. And so considering the options, right, okay, the ideal scenario would be not to buy this one ahead of the earnings report. Could have dropped surely, but rather repeat the move that we traded today on LLY, which was basically a pump. And this, guys, you should know what it's called. It's a move two. Okay, you may not know all the details about the move two, but this is a pattern of a move two. So what I'm saying, on AMGN, you're much better off waiting for a move two pattern. We already had a move two pattern today, and it's likely to be repeated tomorrow. Okay, so guys, with that said, trade this one tomorrow with a 13 Market Moves coach. Ton of other trades. I just simply don't have time to make a video about each and every one of them. So guys, the easiest way to make sure you don't miss out on any 10 or 20x opportunities, make sure you go to 13mmtv.com and learn the moves. Don't trade without the moves. And number two is understand the correlations. If you know the moves and the correlations, guys, you're going to outperform 90% of the traders out there. Moves and correlations. Get that down packed, and you can trade the earnings season like a rock star. So make sure you give us a call today. 13mmtv.com. Click the big orange button. Let's roll.
First, distract target. Then block his blind jab. Counter with cross to left cheek. Discombobulate. Dazed, will attempt wild haymaker. Employ elbow block. And body shot. Block ferrule left. Weaken right jaw. Now fracture. Break cracked ribs. Traumatize solar plexus. Dislocate jaw entirely.